Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can do the Swagger configuration in a Spring Boot 3.x version. So before moving to the configuration part, I'll tell you a bit overview about my project structure. So I have created one employee entity and there I have defined only two fields just to explain the things like how we can configure this Swagger. So with respect to this entity, I have created one employee repository as you can see and one employee interface service, and with respect to that interface I have given one implementation class and make this application for the REST controller. I have created one REST controller. As you can see there I have defined one operation. It's nothing but save. Now I'll tell you how we can do the configuration. Means just search in the Google Chrome Spring Dock Open API Starter Web MVC UI. You will get this main repository first link. Click on this. Take this 5.2.5.0. Take this dependency and keep in the form.html under the dependency section. Let me format it. Okay. Just give one Maven update, force update. It will update and it will add the dependency in the Maven dependencies here. Now we can hit this URL in the Chrome and we can check it. So http //localhost swagger -ui index.html. Just hit this. Now you can see swagger configuration. It's like working fine. We can see our endpoint save here. So here I have given like save. Let's try it out. So there is only two fields. ID we can remove if not needed. We can give for only name. So here I will give SK. Okay. Yeah. As you can see here, employee one created. That's all. Bye bye.